Gear up for the countdown to cleaner tiles as we check out the best grout removal tools and what makes them stand out. From handheld oscillating tools to precision chisels, these picks cover every grout job you might face. Today, I'm going to be going over the best grout removal tools that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Caulking Tool 5-in-1. This versatile tool is built for the relentless realities of tiling and bathroom maintenance, where stubborn silicone demands more than a single approach. The 5-in-1 design means you get 5 different functions in one compact unit, reducing the need to switch tools mid-project and helping you keep your workspace clean and efficient. Stainless steel blades are engineered for swift, low-resistance caulk removal, letting you attack old bead lines without gouging the tile edges or trenching into the grout. The curved edge is perfect for following the contours of corners, while the flat scraper edge makes quick work of silicone rings around fixtures and along baseboards. Precision cutting blade can trim excess bead after application, producing clean, professional joints. The tool is built with ergonomics in mind. A soft touch handle reduces fatigue, and the balanced weight helps you apply steady pressure without slipping. It is compatible with latex, silicone, and acrylic caulks and adapts to both vertical and horizontal bead lines. The replaceable blades ensure longevity, so you won't need to buy a new tool every season. Simply swap the blade when it dulls, which keeps performance consistent. Maintenance is simple, with the steel head resisting corrosion and the handle textured for secure grip even when your hands are wet. In practice, this tool shines on bathtub silicone where edges are rounded and old caulking has ingrained into the grout line. You can proceed with confidence, knowing you have a blade geometry for tight spaces and another for broader seams. 5-in-1 concept also encourages a methodical workflow. One edge for scoring, another for scraping, a third for finicky corner removal, a fourth for broad bead edge cleanup, and a fifth for final smoothing and leveling of residual residue. For homeowners tackling a tile shower upgrade or a kitchen splash, this tool replaces several separate implements, saving space in the toolbox and reducing the clutter that slows progress. Compared to the Saker Silicone Caulking Tools, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Caulking Tool 5-in-1 emphasizes versatility and all-in-one practicality, helping you move from demolition to finish with fewer tool swaps and a more streamlined workflow. At number 4, we have the Saker Silicone Caulking Tools. This set is a carefully engineered collection designed to meet the precision needs of silicone work across vertical and horizontal joints. Each tool in the set features a stainless steel head with deliberate angles that glide along caulk lines without digging into the tile or grout, preserving the integrity of the ceramic surface. Handles are ergonomically shaped with a textured grip that stays secure even when your hands are damp or soapy. This reduces fatigue during long sessions and improves control when you need to finesse a tricky corner. Stainless steel blades resist corrosion and maintain sharpness after repeated use, which translates to cleaner cuts and more uniform bead removal without leaving scratches behind. Some blades are tapered for detail work, such as narrow grout lines, while others are straight for broad, flat surfaces. The kit often includes multiple curvature profiles to match the natural contours of tile edges, providing options for tubing removal and finishing touches after resealing. Cleaning is straightforward. Rinse the blades after use and dry to avoid rust, then store in a dry place to prolong blade life. The tool selection is compact enough to tuck into a small toolbox or a contractor's pouch, making it ideal for on-site adjustments and quick fixes. Performance-wise, these tools excel when you're removing strong adhesive residues and silicone that has cured for several days. The steel heads do not dull quickly, and the bevels stay true through hours of scraping. Compared to the Caulking Tool 5-in-1, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Saker Silicone tools prioritize specialized geometry and precision over the breadth of functions, offering a precision kit for dedicated silicone work with a focus on control and minimal material damage. At number 3, we have the Coitak Tile Grout Saw. This tool is the backbone of tile grout maintenance, designed to tackle stubborn grout lines that demand aggressive but controlled material removal. The saw features an angled blade setup that allows you to guide the cutting edge along grout lines with a comfortable hand position, reducing the risk of digging into the adjacent tiles. The blade is typically tungsten steel or similarly durable material, calibrated for consistent edge height so you don't gouge into the surrounding ceramic or porcelain surfaces. The handle is wrapped or contoured for a secure grip, enabling you to apply the right amount of pressure to break through years of cementitious grout without slipping. One key advantage is the ability to adapt to both straight walls and curved corners. By rotating the blade or adjusting the angle, you can follow the grout pattern across a shower nook or kitchen backsplash. Maintenance is straightforward. Clean away dust frequently and check for blade wear. If the cutting edge becomes rounded, replace the head to preserve clean lines. In practice, you'll see the saw shine when removing older epoxy or cementitious grout where a standard knife may struggle to reach into tight gaps. The tool is also compatible with replacement blades in various thicknesses, enabling a customized approach for different tile thickness and grout depth. Paired to the Saker Silicone Caulking Tools, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Coitak Tile Grout Saw is built for material removal with a more aggressive edge geometry, prioritizing the speed and precision needed for grout channels while preserving the tile faces. At number 2, we have the Tile Tools Grout Removal Tool. Single-purpose tool focuses on grout removal with a clean, deliberate action that minimizes the risk of chipping or scratching neighboring tiles. A narrow blade profile and a compact head allow you to reach into tight joints between ceramic tiles, while the steel construction resists bending and remains effective after repeated use in moist environments. Handle is designed for a relaxed grip that allows prolonged sessions without fatigue. Some models feature a soft grain or rubberized surface to improve tactile feedback and control when you're guiding the blade along irregular grout lines. Blade edge is sharpened to cut through cementitious grout with minimal effort, which is especially valuable in older homes where grout has become brittle and cracked. This tool is often compatible with interchangeable blades that let you switch between aggressive removal and more cautious, fine-tuning touches near tile edges or near fixtures. Storage is simple, with a compact form factor that fits into a tool pouch or drawer slot, ensuring you can bring it to installation sites or quickly address problem joints around a sink or tub. In practice, you'll appreciate the efficiency gains when you need to clear a cluster of joints before regrouting, and you'll notice the smoother tile faces once the old grout is removed. Paired to the Coitak Tile Grout Saw, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Tile Tools Grout Removal Tool emphasizes precision in narrow spaces and gentle material removal, offering a calm, controlled approach when you want to preserve the surrounding tile surfaces as you work. At number 1, we have the King&Charles Caulking Tool Kit. This kit represents the pinnacle of versatile, professional-grade caulking and grout work, bringing together multiple bases for the most demanding tile and bathroom projects. The kit typically includes a set of interchangeable blades, a durable stainless steel scraper, a caulking remover blade designed to glide along silicone seams, and finishing tools that help you smooth and level new caulk for pristine lines. Handles are built for endurance. A grippy, moisture-resistant texture reduces fatigue on extended sessions and provides reliable control when you're working around sinks, showers, and tub edges. With the kit, you gain the advantage of having the right tool for every stage. Scoring, removal, edge cleanup, finishing, and polishing all in one bundle. The blades stay sharp through repeated use, and the steel components resist corrosion with proper cleaning and drying. This kit expands your range. You can adapt to grout removal, caulk scoring, silicone edge trimming, and finishing in a way that minimizes cross-contamination between different sealants. The packaging is designed to keep components organized, which helps you stay efficient when you're juggling multiple projects at once. For serious remodels or frequent maintenance, this kit pays for itself through time saved on tool swaps and improved consistency across joints. Paired to the Tile Tools Grout Removal Tool, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the King&Charles Caulking Tool Kit offers broader coverage across caulking and grout tasks, delivering a fuller toolkit that keeps your hands busy and your project moving forward.